I'm giving her something better than a kiss. You don't like suckers? Do you like suckers? Yes.
Sorry, it's Christmas Eve. The kids are inside opening presents and we're missing it. Yeah, Dad, it's cold.
Cold's not good for horses. They need to be warmed up.
They all got road smarts.
Really? Even this big boy?